hey, if you look at the time, it's after 6. This is Noah from After 6 Cocktails, and today we're going to make Sidecar. I consider this one of my favorite drinks. It is sour, kind of like a margarita, but it's not a margarita because it doesn't have tequila. It does have cointreau, but instead of tequila and lime juice, it has cognac and lemon juice. Let's see if I can recreate my love of the Sidecar this time. So we're going to start with 3/4 of an ounce of lemon juice. Three-quarters of an ounce of cointreau. You have 1.5 ounces of cognac. I'm going to shake this. And pour this in a cocktail glass. We're going to give it a taste. See, I like this more than the Between the Sheets. The Between the Sheets is more bitter than this. I love this. Thank you all so much for watching this video. Have a good night.